Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been very long since I posted, but I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I have already done my brows off camera. Farsali liquid glass serum, it makes your skin very glowy and gives a glass skin finish. I'm going to dab it into my skin. You can also rub it on your face. It gives a tacky finish so that your foundation sits on very well. Elegirl Pro Matte Foundation, as my skin is very oily. It might seem a bit lighter, but when I blend it out, it will match my skin very well. I will be taking the Born This Way concealer in the shade Snow and highlight my face, under eyes, nose, cupid's bow, and also I'm going to conceal my eyelids and blend very well. Hourglass translucent powder to set my face. As my skin is oily, I will be setting all over my face. Taking my favorite Hoola bronzer to bronze my nose, my cheeks, my chin and my forehead. Using a blush from Inglot, this is a peachy kind of color. This is very pretty and very pigmented, as you can see. Morphe Jamescharles mini palette. I'll be taking just two shades. One is the darker green and one is the lighter green for my crease. A new blending brush to blend all the harsh lines. Taking a Revolution concealer to cut my crease. I'm in the shade C1. Conceal it very well so that the color you put pops out. Taking my Hudabeauty nude palette and using the shade Charmed, I have sprayed my brush with some MAC setting spray and putting it into my lids. I have taken a black shade from the jamescharles palette and putting it on the outer corner of my eyelids. Using my Kat Von D pen eyeliner and get that intense black liner. The wing I want to create will be very sharp. Using one of my favorite mascara from Marc Jacobs. NYX White Jumbo Pencil for my waterline. Using the darker green shade for my lower lash line and also using some mascara. Ofra Glow Up palette and using the shade Star Island. This is very intense. For my inner corners, brow bone, nose, shapes, cupid's bow and chin. Using a pair of lashes from This Is She in the style Adorable Brat. These lashes are very pretty and you can get 10% off using my code, it will be down below. Using Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Dazed. So this is my complete final look. I hope you guys enjoyed and always pray for me, and thank you so much for supporting me.